Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where you can't move desktop icons in Windows, then please watch this video. Now it's nothing to do with the icon cache. See, I can easily move it, but if you're not able to move it, then the first approach should be to restart File Explorer and this will usually fix it. So I'll tell you what to do. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Now scroll down to Windows Explorer, right click on it and select Restart. The Windows Explorer process is the one which manages the desktop, the taskbar, the start menu, the everything. So it will obviously remain. If you do not find it in the foreground processes, then scroll down and you will find it in the background processes at least. It will always exist. Okay, otherwise your computer won't work. The next one is to restart the computer. So right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. And finally update Windows. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.